Okay guys, welcome back to part 2 where I'll be talking about the meal planning process. And so when it comes to it, I have to decide how many times per day I will be eating. For me, that will be breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So 3 days, and then sometimes a snack if I get hungry in between the day. How I've been doing this or plan on doing it is by eating for 7 days worth of breakfast, 5 days worth of lunch, and then 7 days worth of dinner. This might seem a little nuts to you guys, but that's how it's gonna work for me. I can eat the same food forever without getting bored of it. For 7 days worth of dinner, plenty fine with me, because then I get to look forward to next week. And plus, this is my goal and what I plan on doing. It's what's going to work for me. So if you want to follow this, know what's going to work for you. Because for lunch, I only plan on making 5 because I plan on eating leftovers, or just in case I go out to eat with friends or go somewhere else, I don't have to worry about having food for that day. And then say I don't end up eating all my 7 meals for breakfast or lunch or dinner. I'll just end up freezing the food and then work towards it. Put that meal into my plan for next week so I won't have to cook any more food. Starting in the 3rd week of August, for Monday, breakfast, we have baked oatmeal, bacon, eggs, banana, and protein shake. So then I come here to the right on this sheet for week 1. It's not week 1, but week 1 for August of the 3rd. I put breakfast and I put all the ingredients for what I'm gonna make, and there was baked oatmeal with bacon and eggs. So here I list the overnight oats and how I prepped it and did everything. So this is the recipe. I did it for the cooking, the instructions, and all the ingredients I need. Of course, I have the bacon, and then that's it. Then I'll go for lunch. And I'll put the recipes down here too for lunch, right in here. I'll put lunch down, instant pot squash, ground beef, and then I have all that recipe. And then we go down to dinner. For dinner, I listed all my recipes: boneless, skinless chicken breast, from brown basmati rice, then split peas, all the recipe. And they'll also have at the end here the overall hours it should it's possibly gonna take. Then I do the same thing. This is for this first week. I'm gonna make for breakfast 7 days. I'm gonna make lunch for 5 days, and then dinner for 7 days. And then I did that for week 2, week 3, all of it, all down here as you can see. And then here, this table of contents here on the left side is what keeps me organized, so I can find all the information pretty easy. Easy look. See week 1, week 2, week 3. Now I also have the dates by them, week 4, and it goes all the way down. And then that's how I make my ingredients and recipes. I would then come here to today's food notes and put all the stuff I needed to buy. And then I'll go to the store and get it. And then, of course, I already have most of the stuff I bought online. So the overall time this took, or should have taken, was 2 hours and 29 minutes. I'm lucky because I have the Instant Pot and I can use it for most of this stuff I make. And if you don't have time within one day to make this, you can break it into different days. For example, I might make breakfast and lunch on Saturday and dinner on Sunday. From there, when everything is made, I put them in their containers and put them in the fridge. Just like that, I have food for the whole week. I come home from school, from work, and I leave to work or to school in the morning. I have everything prepped and made, and I don't have to worry about it for the whole week. Pow! Let me know what you think. That is it for part 2. Thank you for watching. Come back for part 3, which is the cost. Peace.